Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay or WeChat Wallet. And in this video, I'll show you the bank card that actually work with WeChat Wallet for easy WeChat Pay transaction. Whatever country you find yourself, if you have this following card I'm going to show you in this video, you can easily link it with your WeChat Pay or your WeChat Wallet for WeChat transaction successful. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat app. Have you opened up your WeChat app? Go ahead and click on me. Proceed to pay and services. Proceed to wallet. Customer service center. Then here we go. Click on which international bank card can be linked to WinSimPay. Click on that. Then you'll be taken to this simple article right here. Currently, WinSimPay support international card issued by the following credit card company such as Visa, MasterCard, Amex, JCB, Diners Club, Discover, UnionPay International. You can link international credit card issued by the bank outside the Chinese mainland, but cannot link single currency card issued by the banks within Chinese mainland. So if you are foreigners and you are in possession of any of the cards from the above right here, you can easily link the bank card to your WeChat Pay and start using the account with your bank card, whether Visa or Master or Amex or JCB or Dinner Club or UnionPay International card. You can use it in your WeChat wallet for easy shopping or transaction in your WeChat Pay. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.